Quick disclaimer, this is not free and open source software. Claude Opus 4.7 is a commercial product from Anthropic, but every awesome FOSS video you've watched was produced by it. And the open source projects we cover, many of them were built with Claude Code. Just released today, Opus 4.7 is the most capable coding model Anthropic has ever shipped. And if you're building, forking, or contributing to open source, this is the engine that will help you ship faster. This is Claude Opus 4.7, Anthropic's most capable generally available model for complex reasoning and agentic coding. Available today across Claude.ai, Claude Code, the API, Amazon Bedrock, Google Cloud Vertex, and Microsoft Foundry. 1 million token context window, 128,000 token max output, and a new xhigh effort level that sits between high and max for finer control over reasoning versus latency. Claude Code now defaults to xhigh for all tiers, and these benchmarks are insane. 70% on CursorBench, up from 58% on Opus 4.6. That's a 12-point jump on real-world coding tasks. 3 times more production tasks resolved on Rakuten's SWE-Bench. 13% improvement on Anthropic's internal 93 task coding benchmark. And it solved 4 tasks no previous model could. Notion saw plus 14% over Opus 4.6 with fewer tokens and a third of the tool errors. And one tester reported 98.5% on a visual acuity benchmark, up from 54.5% on Opus 4.6. Here's what changed. Better agentic coding. It handles complex, long-running tasks with rigor and consistency. It devises ways to verify its own outputs. One developer watched it autonomously build a complete Rust text-to-speech engine from scratch, neural model, SIMD kernels, browser demo, then feed its own output through a speech recognizer to verify it matched the Python reference. Substantially better instruction following, it interprets directives literally. Better file system memory across multi-session work, a more direct, opinionated tone, and fewer tool calls by default. It reasons more before acting. The vision upgrade alone is worth the release. Previous models maxed out at 1,568 pixels on the long edge, about 1.15 megapixels. Opus 4.7 goes to 2,576 pixels, 3.75 megapixels, more than 3 times the resolution, and the coordinates now map 1-to-1 with actual pixels, no more scale factor math. This makes computer use, screenshot analysis, and visual debugging dramatically more accurate. The 98.5% visual acuity score isn't a toy benchmark. It means the model can actually read what's on your screen. But here's what the early testers are saying. Cursor's CEO, meaningful jump in capabilities, 70% versus 58%. Replit's president, easy upgrade decision, same quality at lower cost. Augment Code's CTO, state-of-the-art for handling real-world async workflows. Notion's AI-led, 14% better at fewer tokens. Vercel's distinguished engineer, phenomenal on one-shot coding, more correct and complete. Hex's co-founder, low-effort Opus 4.7 is roughly equivalent to medium-effort Opus 4.6. The tools developers use every day just got meaningfully better. Think about what this means for open source development. The SWE-Bench benchmarks are measured against real GitHub issues. 3 times more production tasks resolved means 3 times more issues closed, more PRs merged, more contributions shipped. Claude Code with Opus 4.7 at xhigh effort is how many open source maintainers are already writing code. This video, every awesome FOSS video, is researched, scripted, and produced by Claude Opus. Not FOSS itself, but the engine behind the FOSS you use. Claude Opus 4.7, available now on Claude.ai, Claude Code, and the API. 1 million tokens. xhigh effort. Self-verifying code. 3x vision, the most capable coding model Anthropic has ever shipped. Go build something open source with it. Subscribe to Awesome FOSS. We find the best open source tools so you don't have to.